All right. We got the 64 on the rotisserie today. That took about, I don't know, 2 hours. I reworked these brackets right here. Now they're a little more level. Pulled it off of the chassis with the drivetrain in it. That was the first time I did that. I usually pull the motor and transmission, but I think I'm going to start doing it this way from now on. Of course, it's 50-some years old, so it's nice and grimy, but it's actually really bone dry. And the body mount bolts spun right out. So to pull it off the frame, you do the steering, brake line, ground straps, heater hoses, gas tank, filler neck, wiring, AC lines. What else am I forgetting? Forgetting something. But the rotisserie works pretty good. It's easy to flip. I got it locked in place right now, so. But I'm looking forward to blocking this thing down. It's already been kind of guide coded halfway, but we're going to start over with that. And I'm going to shave the firewall. I'm going to do away with all the old stuff, shave it. And if I do go back, I'm going to go with vintage. Upgrade the brakes, of course. Do a different steering column. But we did it right here in the shop, on that lift. And everything went good. It was a success. And stay tuned.